Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. In the challenging environment of a ship's engine room, the exhaust gas temperature thermocouple stands as a vital sentinel, monitoring the thermal health of every cylinder to prevent catastrophic damage. To ensure these sensors provide the accurate data required for safe operation, regular maintenance is an absolute necessity for every marine engineer. The process begins with the careful identification of the specific thermocouple requiring service, followed by the isolation of the monitoring system to prevent false alarms or automated shutdowns. Once the engine is stopped and the exhaust manifold has cooled to a safe working temperature, we begin the delicate removal of the thermocouple probe from its protective pocket. Carbon buildup is the primary enemy of accuracy, as a thick layer of soot acts as an insulator, slowing the response time and leading to incorrect lower temperature readings. We utilize a fine wire brush and specialized contact cleaner to gently remove these deposits from the stainless steel sheath, ensuring the metal surface is clean and conductive. During this cleaning, we perform a rigorous visual inspection, checking for signs of erosion, thermal fatigue, or physical deformation of the probe tip, which could indicate abnormal combustion patterns within the cylinder. The next phase involves checking the integrity of the connection head, where we inspect the terminal blocks for any signs of loosening due to engine vibration or corrosion from the salty sea air. We then move to the testing phase, using a high-precision digital multimeter to measure the internal resistance of the thermocouple circuit. A healthy sensor should show a very low resistance value, while an open circuit or high resistance indicates a failing internal junction that requires immediate replacement. For a more comprehensive verification, we often use a portable dry block calibrator to heat the thermocouple to a known temperature, comparing its output voltage against the standard millivolt tables for Type K or Type J sensors. If the deviation exceeds the manufacturer's limits, the thermocouple is discarded, as an inaccurate sensor can lead to imbalanced cylinder loading and increased fuel consumption. We also inspect the compensation cables and their shielding to ensure there is no electrical interference from nearby high-voltage lines, which could distort the signal. Before reinstallation, we apply a thin layer of high-temperature anti-seize compound to the threads of the mounting nut to ensure easy removal during the next maintenance cycle. The thermocouple is then carefully inserted back into its pocket, ensuring it is seated at the correct depth to capture the true core temperature of the exhaust gas stream. After tightening the assembly, we reconnect the wiring and verify the temperature reading on the local gauge and the remote monitoring console. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.